Good morning. It's time for me to send out another Ava's hug. And the Ava's hug is about returning to your body and finding a nice practice for your body that is a proper practice. And it's actually an answer to one of the questions I was asked as I was doing a podcast on the return home, and one of the chapters we were talking about the idea of returning back to our physical home and really making our physical home our own temple again. And one way of doing it is finding the right practices, finding the appropriate practices. And so I thought over the course of the next time, I'm offering different little, really little nugget practices that have been really helpful to me, and maybe they're helpful for you as well. And then you can join in, test them out. If they work, you can continue. If they don't work, then look for another practice. Got to be appropriate. And appropriate, I mean fitting, meaning it fits to you, it fits to what you're looking for your intention, but it also fits for the contextual restrictions and for the situation you are in and for the timing. So this is my offering for today. And for that, I invite you to just find first a comfortable position. You can, as you notice you're just naturally breathing, let your feet be planted on the floor. Maybe you want to return to the land of the trees and just imagine how your feet are growing roots into the ground, into the earth, into the floor. You can make little adjustments that feel just comfortable in the body. Please notice that your knees are soft, they're locked, not locked, they're soft. And then you let any tension in your shoulder wash away, as if there is a nice cleansing waterfall that's above you and that's just cleansing freshness through your whole body. Allow yourself to take a nice, fresh, simple breath. Breathing is what we do the very first time when we get onto the earth. Maybe somebody gave you a little clap on the cushion to invite you to take your first breath, and you're like, you realized you could breathe. So allow that beautiful breathing that you're capable of fill every cell in your body. And even invite more breathing through every little movement that we will begin. So first I invite you to crawl your feet like toe by toe and do the same thing with your fingers so that you put intentional tension in your body, almost like you're squeezing a lemon, and then with the breath out, you let it go. And one more time, invite you to crawl your toes like a little monkey, and you roll in your hands, you squeeze your arms and your feet and your body and hold it, squeeze the lemon and let it go. Great. And then do it one more third time. You're crawling in toes and fingers and squeeze. And the last tension, you just let it go. Beautiful. And you enjoy maybe the new space you may have created. And then the first exercise I invite you to do is a cleansing exercise. So I invite you to lift your hands and arms, just very gently, almost like you're moving them through liquid, soft. And you turn your palms up so you have a position as if you're opening to receive a package. Send them to the side. Lift your arms above your head. And then you're facing your hands towards your body. And then imagine how you're scanning everything that's old, anything that's unhelpful, maybe old oxygen, maybe old thoughts, maybe outdated ideas about the world, anything that's diseasing. You scan that out of your body. Do it in a very slow way so that you cover every little centimeter inch. Imagine how you're scanning out what you don't need until your hands are resting on your legs. And then you send out the rest of the energy into the earth. And imagine how earth can compost and transform the used energy. Okay, let's do that again. So you're slowly lifting your arms to the middle. You turn your palms open to the above to accept the package. Then move the arms to the side. Take them above the head. So that now as the palms, the hands are facing your body, you imagine how your hands are scanning the body and taking everything out of your body, cleansing your body. Like as if you're standing under fresh water. Anything you don't need, you let it go. Bring newness into your beautiful cells so that every cell in your body is happy and well again. Beautiful. Rest your palms on your legs again and imagine how now everything goes into the earth and transforms. I invite you to do this one more time. Lift your hands. Open the palms to the heavens. Move your hands to the side. Lift them above. Facing your palms to you, scanning all unnecessary, unneeded. In a way that really fits for you. You allow your hands to be rested on your legs again. Send the rest of the energy down your legs into your feet. Maybe imagine that your feet are held by golden baskets or golden cups. Now everything is moving into those golden cups, and then you release it and let Mother Earth transform it for you. And you kind of sense that has an impact on your body. And now that you created this freshness, I invite you to take your hands and your palms to the outside. Now imagine that you're creating a nice golden bubble around you. So use your hands to sculpt a beautiful bubble of safety and second skin. It's allowing you to safely take the appropriate distance, and other people honoring appropriate distance. You just become the sculptor, the artist of your own second skin, your own bubble of protection, of holding, of safety. It's beautiful. And then you can imagine how it has your favorite color as you continue to sculpt the boundary, the second skin. Imagine how it has your favorite song, rhythm. And you can also imagine how it has your favorite temperature. When you feel you are ready, I invite you to gather all the energy that you collected, bring it and gather it to your belly center. Nice breath of integration. And then say the most important prayer that we can share today is thank you. We can say thank you to my own self. Thank you to this body. Thank you for having a safe space around me. Thank you for being healthy. Thank you for all that my body knows how to do. Great, and then you can just let it go. And this was my Ava's hack for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Make use of it. Let me know if it fits for you. So hugs, kisses, stay safe, be well, and be kind to yourself. Bye for now.